Hello friends, welcome. So today that is on October 13 2022. So I have taken few trades. So let us discuss how the trades went. So before speaking about the trades, so let's see how the sector has performed. So here you can see, right? So sector was completely in downtrend in first half of the day and then converted into bullish momentum. So if you also see the previous day, so it was in bullish momentum, and the very first candle of 15 minutes, so it made a bullish momentum. So the reason for saying this is, so based on this I have taken a trade in State Bank. So the first half, the first candle was a bullish candle, right? So if you see in 5 minutes time frame, so I have taken a trade onto the long position. So my entry was at 531.80, and I have placed my stop loss at 530.50. So my entry got triggered in 9:35 candle. Entry was at 531.80, and I have placed my stop loss at exactly at below of this candle. So stop loss was at 530.50. So here you can see it hit my stop loss. So the second stock we'll be discussing, so that is Axis Bank. Axis Bank. Here you can see, right? So I have already shown you. So the market was in downtrend. So here you can see this 1035 and 1045 candle, right? These are the bearish candles. So putting this in mind, so again I shorted. So my entry price was at 799.50. So in this candle, trade got executed, and I have placed my stop loss at 801.50. So here also you can see it hit my stop loss. And the next trade, so that is ICICI Bank. So let's see how the trade went. Here you can see, right? Not here. My entry price was at 854 point. 854.50, and I have placed my stop loss at 856.50. So after this candle's formation, bearish candle, bearish candle, bearish candle, bearish candle, bearish candle. So after this candle formations, so I have taken a trade onto the short side. So my entry was at 854.50, and I have placed my stop loss at 856.50. So entry got triggered in 2 p.m. candle, and stop loss hit in 225 candle. So here you can see, here also it hit my stop loss. And the last trade that we'll be discussing, So that is HDFC Bank. Just give me a moment. HDFC Bank. Here now the market was in uptrend, right? So putting this in mind, and if you also see in 15 minutes time frame, so it broke this high. It converted into bullish momentum. So here you can see it made some retracement, and again it bounced back. So it I thought it was continuing its bullish rally. So after formation of this 240 candle, so I have taken an entry at 13 1398. So my entry price was at 1398. So it was onto the long position. 1398. And I have placed my stop loss at below of this candle. So that is at 1396. Entry was at 1398 and stop loss was at 1396. So here also it hit my stop loss. So I have taken 4 trades, and 4 trades are completely from banking sector, and 4 trades hit my stop loss. So yeah friends, that is all for today. See you in the next video.